With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, we are given with the question, and the question says water rises up to a height of h in a capillary tube of certain diameter. Right? The capillary tube is replaced by a similar tube of half the diameter. Now the water will rise to a height of how much? So if initially we were having a capillary tube like this, and now we have like this, right? So diameter is halved, correct? So what does that mean is when this radius was r, let's say the new radius is r dash, right? So r dash is equal to r by 2, correct? The height of the, since the volume of water is same in both the container, right? So the height would be directly dependent on the area or the radius, we can say. So h is inversely proportional to radius. Why? Because the height would be this much in this case, but as soon as the area is decreased, right, the height would increase, right? So what we could say from here is that let h be the initial one, right, and h dash be the new one, correct? So therefore, h dash by h can be written as r by r dash, right? Since r dash is r by 2, therefore h dash by h can be written as 2 times r by r. So that would get cancelled, right? So it would be 2, right? So from here, h dash would turn out to be equal to 2h. That means the height would get doubled, right? So our answer is option C. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, ITG and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.